Hi there, welcome back to our favorite Knowledge Fun Travel fan page, guys. It's your love that keeps us going to explore more of our homeland each time. Well, I had a lot of requests to explore this extravagantly beautiful place called Tungareshwar, located within a short trip's distance from central Mumbai. This is a place so near to the town area to make it a comfortable day trip, and yet so far so as to give you a feel of the scenic countryside around the economic capital of India. Approaching by roadway from central Mumbai, you have to travel northwards along the Western Express Highway, which then transits into the Mumbai-Ahmedabad National Highway. You would then exit the highway at Sativli near Vasai. If you are on the contrary approaching from the northern towns, which are Palghar, Boisar, Virar, etc., you may be set for an awesome road trip on Vajreshwari Road. However, there are rare chances of a landslide, so guys, this road is better avoided in the rainy season. Traveling by the Western Railway, known worldwide for its capacity and frequency of travelers, we have to get down at Vasai railway station and then take public transport to Tungareshwar main gate. This will attract an entry fee of around 20 bucks though, as it is the official entry inside the habitat. Tungareshwar, which has been historically visited holy place for the Hindus, is abundant with biodiversity and where you can see a lot of rare bird species, few of which we have tried to capture in this clip. It is frequented by tourists, especially in love with panoramic habitat of this place. Once you are here, you would not want to miss a visit to the Tungareshwar temple, an ancient abode of Lord Shiva, the historical Tungareshwar viewpoint, Maharaj Ashram, and a vibrant waterfall located nearby. This beautiful spot sitting right next to the fast and unstoppable life of Mumbai is a must-have on the list of any of you wanderlusts and nature lovers out there. Drop in your suggestions on what would you want us to cover the next time, and we would love to hear from you. If you like our content, please give us your love by clicking on the like and subscribe button below. Your love is what keeps us going to follow our passion of covering this incredible countryside of India. Love you all. Till the next time, keep rocking, folks.